One important thing I want to tell you, this is not a toy. So you have to be at least 18 plus, and I should recommend starting with a 50-pound standard crossbow to learn the basics. I'm already, I think, 5-6 years in it, so just saying, it's not a toy. Be careful what you do with it. Yes, finally. I've been waiting for this one a long time. Let's see what is in the box. Oh, this is gonna be a fun one. Let's check this thing out. So, manual, operator, as usual. First, put the knife on. So, what is it? The Cobra R9 90 pounds pistol crossbow with the special fast reload function. I'm very curious. Let's do this. We got rail loop, very important for the maintenance of the string. Safety glasses, meh. Got already 5 of those. Another extra rail loop, thank you. We got also the red dot, all included, as you can see. A bit closer. Maybe I'll show you the rail loop. No, don't know if it's sharp or not, but here it is anyway. And this is gonna be epic. Let's see what this thing can do and how easy it is to install. Cardboard everywhere, cardboard. So we get an additional grip, also interesting for stability. And of course, the most important thing, the bow itself. But that's just the start. No, it's clear, you can see it a bit. Put that away for a second. All the cards, meh. What do we got here? The standard carbon 7.5-inch arrows that I also use on the horizon red back pistol crossbow. Very good arrows, very sharp and very durable. Okay, let's put those away. Let's see what's under the compartment here. Ta-dam! Cardboard. So we got just a basic flashlight. Not so spectacular, but interesting. We'll see that in a minute. And of course, I need to get my knife back. The Cobra arrow string is definitely a high quality one. Still need to be lubed in later. So what else? We got, oh, that's nice. So the supplier offered me some extra arrows. Always interesting. Same 7.5 inch carbon. Pretty standard, but very good arrow. Okay. And I need a knife again. I'm a little bit excited because I've been waiting for this thing so long, and I need to sharpen up my knife, as it seems. There we go. This is normally an AR type handle, also very nice. Let's put that away. No, also a nice one. I'm gonna see what to do with that later on in the vid. This of course is for the installation, etc. And I think this is all we got. Yes. So I'll be back in a minute. So here we are back with everything nicely packed out. So we got flashlight, red dot sight, quiver for 7 arrows, I guess. Just the basic for install, and this is a pretty nice attachment. You can compare it a little bit with, I'm just gonna show you, the Horizon. This is the big boy, but you see it's a bit hard for the camera angle. I'm just gonna show you like that. Hop, hop, hop. Okay, nicely done. Up. That's the big boy, 175 pounds. But I think this one is gonna be more interesting. for now I'm gonna install it. Y'all can read the manual yourself, so I'm not gonna bore you with all the install bits. I'll see you in a minute. So we completed mostly the installation of the R9. We got the red dot sights here. We got a lamp, just waiting for batteries, foregrip, and since it's the Deluxe edition, we got the AR grip. So how does it work? Pretty simple. Just put this one up like this, so it's loose. So you take your arrow, put it as it should here where it belongs, but you can wait for that. Now to spin it, just pretty easy. You got the grip here and you pull it up and up. First time is a bit messy, but it's cocked with safety on. You see, safety is right here. Do not dry fire it, because that will damage the string. Also be very careful that you never ever put your fingers here, because it can be that your fingers will be like this. So let's take a shot. Just put it very good tight, as you can see here, to the end. Whoop. Now this, for the safety, you only push it to the green side when you're ready to fire. So now I'm gonna switch up the camera a little bit, so it's safe and sound. The only thing I forgot to mention is the quiver. Seems like there's a bolt or two that's missing to attach it, but we'll find it out. We're quite a handyman, no problem. So let's see, to put a bit of a camera angle. Don't look at the rest. I know it's a bit messy here, but it's the room where we test all the bows for the first time. So let's go. So it's cocked, the arrow is in it, and now for the red dot sight, it's pretty easy. You just gotta switch on up. So I'm gonna be out of sight for a second, but you'll see. First I aim, then when my aim is good and I'm not holding my finger on the trigger, I put it to the green. Then we aim. I'm aiming now for the little green thingy there. If we put it like that, it should go better. And it's almost perfect sighted in. Easy to use, has really a lot of force, And for that price, let me put that back into frame. You see, it's an epic package. So next time we'll use the range outside to test some more. So stay tuned. Cheers, have a nice one, goodbye.